Okay, so equations with two fractions. They look quite difficult, but they're okay. So what we need to do is think about, we want to cancel out this divide by 4, and we want to cancel out this divide by 12 by multiplying everything in the equation by a number. And we're going to do that before any building and solving steps. Now, the other option would be to play around with these numbers so that you can join these fractions together and make them 1. But I think the way I said is easier. So, if I multiplied everything in this equation by, say, 4, so that's the same as timesing everything on the left-hand side by 4 and the right-hand side by 4, I would get 4x on 4, because when you times by a whole number, you write it on the top of a fraction. And this one is 4x on 12, and that would equal 24. The 4's here would cancel out, but it wouldn't here. We'd end up simplifying that to x on 3. So I haven't cancelled out that fraction, so life hasn't got a lot easier yet. So taking that back, we know we need to multiply by a bigger number. Okay, so we need a number that when we multiply both these fractions, they will cancel down to not a fraction anymore. And what this is the lowest common multiple. So the multiples of 4 being 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. And for 12 being 12, 24, 36. We can see that they have a common multiple of 12, and there is no number smaller that will work. So we will times both sides of the equation by 12, and we will end up with 12x on 4 plus 12x on x. Remembering that when you multiply by a whole number, it is written with the top number of a fraction. 6 times 12 is 72. So what's going to cancel out here is, oops, what have I written here? Got 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we're going to end up with 3x. 12 divided by 12 cancels out, so we have x, and that equals 72. And this is our goal, was to get rid of the fractions, so that now 3x plus x is 4x. And we can divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 18. And the way that we can check our answer is still by substituting that into the equation. Just gets a little bit trickier than usual. So we get 18 over 4 plus 18 over 12 equals, we want it to equal 6. 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. 18 divided by 12 is 1.5. And they do equal 6. So x is 18. And sorry about the handwriting on this one.